Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. The base dimension is 160 by 85 and thickness is 26 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select sketch, select plane, select center rectangle, dimension is 160 by 85, tab 85. Finish sketch. Select extrude 26 mm. Select top surface, sketch 55/80, height is 25 mm. Select center rectangle, 80 tab 55. Finish sketch, extrude 25 mm. Select same surface, sketch, center cutout is there, that dimension is 50 by 30, depth is 25 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, here select cut, depth we want 25 mm. Next, four corners cutout is there, 18 by 10 size, from the side 15 and 16 dimension. Select this surface, sketch, select rectangle, 2-point rectangle, give the dimension 18, 10. Here to here 16, 15. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, through hole, apply. Select the extrusion, select mirror, select here mid plane, apply. Select both, mirror, apply. Next, one rib is there, thickness is 15 mm, center of the object, sketch, select line, finish sketch, select rib, select parallel to sketch plate, thickness we want 15 mm, apply. Select rib, mirror, apply. That's it friends. assign the material here. So which material you want, you can assign here, aluminum. The finishes also we can give. So we can adjust the color here. If you want, we can adjust. So I am leaving as it is. Save the part. So that's it from today's session. Once again I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do like these videos. Thanks for watching this session, friends.